this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and we are all set up here today for a Freehand Gone Wild collaboration. Our theme is Easter eggs. We are doing some Easter grass here that I did prior. We got one egg done here. Our brushes I have out here before us are from Temu. I am what is it called? An influencer, an ambassador. I think it's called a team influencer. I have a code for first-time shoppers, Joy3858. I'll put that in the description box with a oh shoot, I can't talk. I have a code, Joy3859, as well as a shopper's link that you can use for first-time buyers. So please check out my description box for all kinds of discount codes for all kinds of different companies. All the different kinds of products from Temu, as well as my mat, my wax picker-uppers, my armrests. I've got all kinds of goodies that I have bought from there, and I will be buying from there in the near future. I got a froggy in my throat. So we're gonna dive in. We're gonna make us some Easter eggs. I'm just gonna go right in here. Put that in, let that cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to move on, draw me another. Draw me another. I want to get me a really big one. Like a really big Easter egg. Color it in maybe that big. Okay, we'll just go down the assembly line making us some big Easter eggs. Our background, or all our colors are beetles, so that's kind of cool. All of them except the green. The green is right here, P419. It is by Pewty. I think these are great. These are the Beatles pastels. So, cleaning brush, will be diving into some colors here. I'm going to try to use the same brush for all. We're just going to dive right in. We've got the Beatles pastels. The base color is the yellow. Then we've got our variety of colors here along the sides. Along the sides. That's not too good. Not too good. Not how I want it to be. I'll make this one a speckled one so it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Give them each a 30-second cure. Trying to give them a jagged line. There we go. There we go. Pop that one back in for 30 seconds. What do we got going on over here? Just a little egg. A little baby egg. Our last put in the lamp for 30 seconds. My brushes from Temu. I have down in the description box an affiliate link and discount code, so please go check those out. I've got a Temu grand haul for my PR where I had links. It was just a lot of things. Go check that out. That's also in my 2023 playlist. I got this on here. This was a brush holder, which every nail artist needs one of these, at least one. I've got another one in my cart because I think you need more than one actually. Before I had a pen holder, it's not working out. A box like that I think is much more, is better for your good brushes. So we're going to top coat now. I'm going to add a little bit of bling. Just a little bit of bling. Clean your brush out. Cover more area, get you some long strokes in. I think my Easter eggs turned out pretty good. I've never freehanded Easter eggs before. I did not practice at all. I just wham bam, thank you ma'am, sat down and did them. So not too bad, not too bad. Let me get my, where's my wax figure upper? I got my blue wax figure upper. This is not my new one, this is my old one. Here is my green new one. And my pink new one. These are both from Temu. I'm going to use my green. I'm loving that color. And we're going to use some itty bitties, because I'm loving the itty bitties. And we're just going to put them sparsely on the nail. Just randomly. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Just a couple on each nail. I should have poured a couple up prior. But I didn't. I'm filming this like a week ahead of time. And oh buddy, let me tell you, we had some winds today. It was like, today is Saturday. And oh my goodness, these winds today were like, I don't know, 50, 60 miles an hour. It was crazy. Power flipped on and off like 3-4 times. I thought for sure we were going to lose power. But I sat here praying like, "Ooh, body Jesus, please don't let the power go out. Please, 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 please." And it came back on. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, thank you, thank you. People probably thought I was nuts if they could hear me, but I didn't care. I figured Mom's got insulin that needs to be kept cold. Neither one of us want to be sitting here in the dark. So let me see. Here is my freehand gone wild Easter egg manicure for 2023. Alrighty, we are back out of excuse me out of the lamp. Our nails are finito. I think they turned out kind of cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my freehand gone wild Easter egg manicure for today. I don't think they're too bad. Could be worse. They could definitely be worse. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed night, a blessed day. Thank you.